So we're getting towards the end of our project here. This is the new expansion. Matthew and Ed Emmerich helped us set up, line up the woods here. See, we got a wet dry line going down through this nice little ravine creek bed. And one of the last few projects we had before we started doing drops, and we got to put some saddles in, a couple caps at the end of our lines, some plugs, is we had to use a ladder to get this 3/4 inch line wire tied. It was just too high for even Isaac to reach. So I think this was the end of the wire tying. Down here where we'll put in a whip. This little expansion, I think there's about 500 to 600 taps, 13 little main lines, probably run on average about 400 feet each. And sugar maples like to grow on the side of the hills and ravines where it's dry. So there's quite a few down here on the high spots of the creek bed. But we're pretty excited about this little expansion. Just finishing up.